Every country has a USP, a unique selling proposition. The United States of America, what is the USP? Liberty, freedom. The United Kingdom, sovereignty of the Queen. The Middle East, what is the USP? Oil. And what is the USP of India? It's spirituality. Our base cap is spiritual culture. Why so many youngsters are going to college and school? Because that's the time to learn. That's the formative time of life. When children and youth form good character, get good values, get a very strong spiritual foundation, the future of the country and the future of the world is extremely bright. But when you don't have this, when you don't have these values, when you don't have these ethics, when you don't have this culture, when you don't have this foundation, when you don't have these principles, the youth is a burden to the world. We don't want burden on earth. We don't want liabilities living around. We want assets living around. We don't want simply competitors. We want contributors. There are enough competitors. We need contributors who can contribute something tangible to change the face of the world and to change the face of the human society. And therefore, ladies and gentlemen, it's natural that in youth, people go to school and college and study. Nowadays, they don't study, that's another thing. Even in school, they don't study. इधर आके गीता बोला तो बोलता है प्रभु जी उधर नहीं पढ़ा, इधर क्या पढ़ेगा? उधर का टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं पढ़ता है, आप बोलता है गीता पढ़ो, वो तो इंग्लिश में नहीं पढ़ने होता है, संस्कृत कहाँ से आएगा? One mother was asking the son, बेटा टीपू सुल्तान कौन है बताओ? So he said मालूम नहीं. तो बोला थोड़ा पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दे बेटे. So he asked चिंकी आंटी कौन है बताओ? Mother said मालूम नहीं. बोला थोड़ा पप्पा पे ध्यान दो. I must tell you, oh God, these guys can be really funny, But I must tell you something. This is the time to learn. This is the time to study. This is the time to inculcate. This is the time to grasp. Therefore, they say values are not taught. Values are caught. But here we are to learn, to understand, to grasp, to train ourselves in proper moral, ethical, and spiritual values and strengthen our foundation. You are the foundation. A better tomorrow won't come by speeches. A better tomorrow won't even come by just political upheavals. A better tomorrow will come by better changed individuals. And therefore I feel such a great need for us to come together and discuss these things in a way that there will be a better tomorrow.